How to use Journal on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to use Journal app on your iPhone, here is what you should do. First of all, this only is available if you're running iOS 17.2 or later. So head over to the application. Upon your first launch on the application, follow the on-screen prompts to enable the personalized journaling suggestions prompt based on your recent photos, workouts, music, and location. Now that this is done, tap on the plus icon in the center, which is a compose button. This is to start a new entry. Now, once you tap on it, you can manually give a title and start writing. But if you'd like suggestion, in that case, tap on this icon on the right of the text. Now turn on journaling suggestions and tap on continue. This way it will give private access to the suggestions and you can upgrade your journaling suggestion. You can head over to the camera access, microphone access or photos and location as well for the title and journaling. At the last option, you can even choose how you're feeling right now and the suggestion will be based on that. So you can also lock your journal using Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.